Hello and welcome to Med Simplified. In this video, we will discuss about the 5 incredible health benefits of garlic. While garlic is a common ingredient in every kitchen, in the ancient times it was highly valued for its numerous health benefiting properties, which are still followed in many cultures today. Our ancestors have been using it as a bug repellent, medieval Europe against plague, and Egyptians would even bury it along their dead. Garlic is most commonly used for conditions related to the heart and blood system. It contains number of chemical compounds that can cure conditions include high blood pressure, high levels of cholesterol in the blood, skin conditions, various infections, and a variety of other ailments. So in this video, we will be looking at the 5 amazing health benefits of garlic and the science behind it. Garlic is very good for cardiovascular health. Garlic and its preparations have been used as agents for prevention and treatment of cardiovascular diseases since ancient times. Garlic contains number of chemical compounds like diallyl trisulfide, allicin, etc. that have been shown to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol, which is also known as the bad cholesterol, and leads to atherosclerosis, which is hardening of the blood vessels. Garlic is also very good for people with hypertension or high blood pressure. A study was done in 23 patients, all with high cholesterol. 13 of them also had high blood pressure. They were divided into 2 groups. The high cholesterol normotensive group, meaning the group which had the normal blood pressure, and the high cholesterol hypertensive group, meaning the group that had high blood pressure. They took garlic extract supplements for 4 months and were regularly checked for blood lipid parameters as well as kidney and liver functions. At the end of 4 months, the researchers concluded that the garlic extract supplementation improves blood lipid profile, strengthens blood antioxidant potential, and causes significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. It also leads to decrease in the level of oxidation products in the blood samples, which demonstrates reduced oxidative stress in the body. In other words, garlic extract supplementation reduced high cholesterol levels and also high blood pressure levels in patients with hypertension. Garlic is good for gut health. As most of you may know, our gut contains billions of good bacteria that help in digestion and are very important for a healthy gut. If we don't take proper diet or if we are taking certain medications like antibiotics, the levels of these good bacteria in our gut decrease and they can lead to poor digestion, bloating and diarrhea. Now there are certain foods that help in the growth of these good bacteria in our gut, and these foods are majorly divided into 2 types: prebiotics and probiotics. Garlic is a very good example of a prebiotic. Prebiotics are compounds in food that induce or grow the activity of beneficial microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi in our gut. Garlic is naturally high in inulin, which is a type of non-digestible carbohydrate or functional fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your digestive system. And it basically acts as a fuel for those bacteria to do their job better, which makes your gut function better overall. And as per a study in Food Science and Human Wellness, garlic actually promotes the growth of friendly bacteria like Bifidobacterium, especially in the gut, and prevents disease-promoting bacteria from growing at the same time. If you want to know more about prebiotics and probiotics, click the link in the I button above to learn more. Garlic is good for brain health. Environmental stress could include the aging process, smoking, pollution, traumatic brain injury, or excessive alcohol consumption. Oxidative damage from free radicals that are produced in our body contributes to the aging process. Garlic has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so it promotes brain health. The combined effects of reduced cholesterol and blood pressure and having significant antioxidant properties, garlic is effective against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Garlic has very good antibiotic properties. Diallyl sulfide, a compound in garlic, has potent antibiotic properties, according to a study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy. Allicin, one of the active principles of freshly crushed garlic homogenates, has a variety of antimicrobial activities. Allicin in its pure form was found to exhibit antibacterial activity against a wide range of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. Also, it demonstrated antibiotic activity against multi-drug resistant strains of E. coli. Garlic also contains another chemical known as ajoine, which is very helpful in fighting fungal infections like ringworm, jock itch, and athlete's foot. 0.6 to 1% gel of ajoine is available in the market, which seems to be very effective in treatment of fungal infections. Garlic is a good blood purifier. Your blood is responsible for a lot of things, ranging from transporting oxygen, hormones, sugar, fat, and other cells to your immune system, to cleansing your body systems and further keep it moving. Toxins are stored in our body on a daily basis through certain types of foods, pollution, and stress, among other factors. Detoxification process boosts the immune system, improves the skin, and regulates healthy changes. Garlic has long been known for its heart benefits. However, garlic is also good at detoxifying the body. Garlic is not only antiviral, antibacterial, and antibiotic, but it also contains a chemical called allicin, which promotes the production of white blood cells and helps to fight against toxins. Evidence also proves that garlic detoxifies the body by protecting the liver from toxic agents. You can also watch a video on top foods to detoxify our body by clicking on the I button above. So these were 5 amazing health benefits of garlic. In the end, I would like to add a note on how you should consume garlic. Freshly crushed or chopped garlic has the most health benefits. Garlic powder and aged garlic extract are also high in healthy compounds. Garlic oil has fewer health properties, but can still be used to add flavor to cooking. The way we prepare garlic affects its strength. Those all-important garlic enzymes are inactivated by heat, and allicin compound is destroyed during cooking. So for getting the maximum health benefits of garlic, it's best to consume raw garlic. Allicin is created when 2 separate ingredients in garlic connect with each other. One is a protein fragment known as allin, and one is a heat-sensitive enzyme known as allinase. In the intact clove, these substances are isolated in separate compartments and do not commingle with each other until we slice, press, or chew the garlic and rupture the barriers between them. It has been found that heating garlic immediately after crushing or slicing can destroy the heat-sensitive enzyme, which results in allicin not being created. A good way to avoid this is by simply adjusting how we prepare garlic. When we chop, mince, slice, or mash garlic, it is best to keep them away for at least 10 minutes before heating them. During this time, the maximum amount of allicin is created and we will get all the medicine we are looking for in garlic, even after it is cooked. You can also consider taking garlic supplement.
Hey there, JamesKnellerMD.com, cardiologist, electrophysiologist, heart rhythm specialist, trying to help my patients one at a time, make our patients feel better. When we've done everything that we can do, the one complaint that I still hear most often is about energy. Doc, I don't have any energy. I'm wiped out, tired all the time, can't get out of bed, taking naps all day. Doc, I can't do it. What's wrong with me? I need more energy. We are trying to address the determinants of human energy one at a time. And there's so many health recommendations. I think our patients are overwhelmed. Exercise, diet, nutrition, supplements. We are trying to identify those habits that are very important to health, vitality, and energy to help you incorporate them into your lifestyle one at a time. And today I'm here to talk to you about garlic. Garlic is a superfood. The ancient Greeks recognized that garlic improved athletic performance. That means more strength, more endurance, more energy, more stamina. Garlic is a superfood. Garlic contains 200 active ingredients, the most important of which is allicin. And when you cut or crush garlic, you release powerful enzymes that convert that garlic into a superfood. Overall, the most important thing about garlic is that it's an antioxidant. So it's mopping up dangerous positive charge throughout your body so those positive charges can't degrade your tissues. You'll notice that first in improvements in your arthritis. But the improvements are everywhere in your brain. Improved memory, less risk of Alzheimer's disease. In your heart, lowering cholesterol, reducing the risk of coronary artery disease. In your bloodstream, stabilizing blood sugar, so less risk of diabetes. Garlic is phenomenal. It's working in your liver to help your liver detoxify heavy metals, and believe me, those accumulate and they show up later in life, and it isn't pretty. Garlic, when you cut it, it releases sulfur, and sulfur is a powerful antimicrobial to help you fight infections. It's going to kill bacteria, even kill fungus. So you'll be sick less. Your body will spend less time fighting infection in an inflammatory state, and that is better for your overall health, well-being, and longevity. So garlic, where do we get garlic? We get garlic in the grocery store, and this is garlic just as you might buy it in your grocery store. Which is where I get my garlic, and the recommendation is that we eat at least 1 clove of garlic daily. Important to do that in the morning on an empty stomach. So you say, well, how am I going to do that without destroying my breath, which could possibly destroy my relationships and my career? We are going to use honey. Honey is also a superfood from our friends the bees, and honey is very unique in that it actually helps to activate the garlic, so it potentiates the active of garlic while curbing some of those side effects like the smell and the breath. So honey is a very important tool here that we're going to use. Here is my honey. I use a dark honey that I buy at the farmer's market, but any organic honey in the store is going to do well for you. And what I've done here, as you can see, is that I've sliced up the garlic. That's activating those powerful enzymes to convert the garlic into a superfood. And then I am immersing the garlic in honey. I can start eating it right away, or it's going to preserve it. It's going to be good for days, as long as I need to work through my garlic, 1 clove's worth every morning, and that honey is going to preserve it and make it so much more tolerable. So my recommendation for you to get the benefits of garlic is to use garlic from the grocery store together with honey from the grocery store in a powerful combination to get all that benefit from garlic. Better energy, better stamina, better vitality, less infection, all from garlic natural product. If you are at all serious about energy, health, vitality, well-being, daily garlic is a must. It is time to stop playing games and get serious. Garlic is essential. So make a trip to your grocery store, mix yourself up a batch, and start eating garlic, 1 clove's worth on an empty stomach every morning. If you still feel that you can't do garlic as a natural product because the smell is still too overwhelming or that's too much of a fuss for you, there are excellent garlic supplements. I like the natural product because it is inexpensive, simple, and powerful. That is my motto. I love simple, effective, and powerful, inexpensive. But if you need a supplement, the supplements still are not that expensive, and I have included a link in the bottom of this video to an excellent garlic supplement, odor-free, 2,000 milligrams of garlic a day, and that's going to provide you what you need as a daily dose. The important thing is that we get the garlic every day, either by cutting it up yourself or from a high quality supplement. So to your health, to your vitality, to your longevity, I know you can do it. I want to hear your success stories. Go to our website, shoot me an email, find us on Facebook, Twitter. Let me know how it goes. I love your stories of massive success. In the meantime, to your health, to your well-being, to your garlic, 1 spoonful, every morning.